Family, this is a Robinhood walkthrough. If you don't have a brokerage account or you don't have any type of Roth account, this is something that you can take advantage of, right? Let's go look at it. Now, when you get in here, go to Robinhood.com or you click one of my links that I have, you'll get free shares of stock. So you can come in here to say choose an account. You can press individual. Now, individual account is to where you can have up to 10 self-directed accounts and 1 managed account, right? So you can have 10 self-directed and 1 managed. So you can have potentially 11 accounts with Robinhood. That's pretty dope. So what you would do is you would say self-directed, right? You would say whatever this nickname of this account was so you could remember if you have different ones. It might be, like, for instance, my son, I would say this was Trey's account or this was Ari's account. And I will put all the different accounts in here. You see that? And that will be on the individual. So this is a joint account, right? This is dope too. Invest together with a joint account. Investments in one place. Manage your family's investments in the same place as your own, right? Family security. Ensure that your family has access to manage and transfer funds at any time, right? Invest towards goals together and earn 3.5 APR on cash with Robinhood Gold, right? So you can earn 3%, 3.3% on the cash that you just got sitting in the portfolio, right? This is something that I was telling the family about a while ago about us, jumping into the stock market and us having a portfolio or a brokerage, something like this, where we all can access it, but one person's managing it, buying the stocks, right? Get back in there. It keep popping out. That's all right. Moving slow now. Come on. There we go. And then it says custodial account. Invest for your children's future. Now, on self-directed, the difference is you choose your investments and manage them your way. Managed by Robinhood Strategies is get matched with a portfolio that's tailored to your goals and managed for a low fee. So basically, Robinhood is managing your portfolio. You can open up to 10 custodial accounts. So you can open up accounts for your son, your daughter, your granddaughter, your grandson, your nephew, your niece, whoever you feel like you want to bless, right? Understand that. And then this is what I really want y'all to look at, right? So it says choose an IRA. You can open 1 self-directed and 1 managed version of each type, right? Understand that. So traditional, let's go look at it. It says make before tax distributions and your investments can grow tax deferred, right? So it says anyone with earned income eligibility. The benefits or investments can grow tax deferred. Tax deferred means you don't pay the taxes now, but you pay them at 59 and a half, right? So, and contributions may be tax deductible, but they're going to give you a tax deduction for putting money into this, right? Understand what a traditional IRA is. It says withdrawal rules. Generally pay a 10% penalty on any withdrawals taken before 59 and a half, right? And then after 59 and a half, it's taxed at a different rate, but it's taxed because it's tax deferred until 59 and a half. Y'all understand? I hope y'all understand that. Now let's go look at the Roth, right? This is the one that I like, right? It says make after-tax contributions with tax-free growth potential. Tax-free, right? So after tax means that the contributions that went in were already taxed. Understand that. So it says eligibility, anyone with the MAGI under 168 if filing single, right? So if you got a single status, it's 168. If you got head of household, it might be 170 something, 180 something. I'm not sure, but or it says 252,000 if filing jointly. So if you filing you and your wife or you and your husband, it's gonna be 252,000 to access the one Roth and the one managed, right? With Robinhood. So tax benefits have the potential to grow tax-free, right? So now you're getting tax-free gains, tax-free growth that you don't got to pay taxes on like you would if you was in an individual or you was in another type of account. Understand that? And it says withdraw contributions at any time, and earnings are penalty-free and tax-free after 5 years and 59 and a half. Right? So after 5, you can pull your money tax-free. This is why I love Roths, right? Because you save on taxes in the future that you would have paid on money that you didn't already pay taxes on now. Because taxes are going to be higher in the future than they are now. Understand that, right? Understand what inflation is doing, where the money's going. Understand, family? But this is what I want y'all to look at. I want y'all to get in here and go get one of these. And see, I already got a self-directed one, so it would only let you open one self-directed and one managed, right? So I can open up one managed IRA, but I already got another IRA on, a Roth IRA on WEBULL for my daughter, and I got this one for Trey, right? So this is what I want y'all to look at, man. And then I'm gonna go look at some stocks, man. Let's go look at some stocks. Like for instance, VOO, right? Now about a month ago, I was telling y'all about this, right? And y'all see in the past month, it's up $50, 8%. In the past month, we up $104, 8.64%, right? Up slightly more than it's up because I was telling y'all to buy when it was down there. Like, hey, this one right here supposed to be at $650. Or better yet, let's go to NVIDIA, right? About a month ago, I was telling y'all about this NVIDIA. It's up $28, 15.56%. And we up $334 and 19.14%, 0.14, right? So we up a few $100s on NVIDIA. But let me ask you a question. Where can you go put your money where you can be up 19%, $334 the next month? With just going and pushing a few buttons, you didn't have to go work nowhere. You didn't have to do nothing else. You see, family? This is what they don't teach us. This is the type of thing that we got to go learn. We master this. We master our money. And then we become free as a result. And then we pass this information down to our legacy. I love y'all. Peace.